Hi there, this is Brenna from Inner Revolution Yoga Studio at 700 March Road, Suite 200. So this month, the month of January, our theme at the studio is mantra. And a mantra is like a verbal intention or a verbal movement of sound that helps you manifest what you want. Now, traditionally, a mantra was used chanting in Sanskrit with mudras. But as we moved into the West, we can use mantra for just about anything. A mantra practice is about finding something that resonates with you and fine tunes your vibration so that you can manifest what you want. For us, one of our mantras is to live our highest selves. So when we start to connect with mantra and chant with mantra, either silently in our mind or verbally out loud, what it does is it starts to vibrate in our body and change the frequency to help us expand and open. So come learn about mantra at the studio.